Hello, welcome to today's video where we're going to be scarifying this lawn. We're going to be using some topsoil, grass seed, obviously the scarifier and the lawnmower as well. Hello and thanks for joining me today for my latest video. It's my first time using a scarifier and I have no idea how it's going to go, but let's see what happens. So the reason I'm trying this today is because this lawn is full of moss. Like most lawns, from afar it does look quite green and healthy, but close up you can see large parts of it are just mainly moss. So I'm going to give it a quick cut first and then obviously use the scarifier and see what we can get out of it. Okay, so that's the grass all cut. This is the seed we're going to use today. It's Johnson's. It covers roughly 200 square meters, which is plenty for this size garden. So just going to trim around the edge and then we'll get on to treating the grass. So the attachments on the scarifier today are these bristle type things. I think they're called tines, and that's what we're going to be using. There is another attachment which comes with it here, but we're not going to be using that today. I'll just show you what it looks like once you turn the scarifier on. As you can see, it's just flicking out the thinner stuff in the lawn. So a couple of things I noticed straight away is if you leave the box on, it just fills up straight away. So just one row and it's filled. And another thing, as you can see here, is it's not like a mower where you can go by the wheel lines. The blades are a lot narrower, so it's best to sort of follow that pattern. Quite a lot's come off on the first go round, so just going to rake it all into a pile and then go again. So you can see here some of the patches it's left already. I was panicking a little bit at this stage because it does look like I have sort of messed up the lawn a little bit. Okay, so at this stage it definitely dug in a bit too much on certain areas, as you can see, especially that bit near the front edge, but so far it's took out a lot of moss. One final mow over just to pick up everything else. Now, after doing some research online, I discovered that moss tends to grow on top of the lawns when there's not enough drainage in the soil. So I'm just going to go over it all with the fork just to open up the ground underneath. Here we have it so far. I'm not going to lie, at this stage I was probably regretting doing the whole thing because it looks a hell of a lot worse than it did. And now I apply the grass seed. Topsoil goes on just over the grass seed, just helps to germinate the seed. Okay, so that's that done, and we're going to come back and see what it's like next time. Okay, so first impressions for me, I think it has slightly improved it. Obviously it's hard to tell because it does need a quick cut. Those areas still look quite patchy, they were heavy with moss. But overall I think I was fearing the worst after how we left it, and it does seem a little bit healthier than I thought it would be. So I'm just going to give it a top up of some more grass seed, just on them areas especially. If you remember last time, they were quite heavily affected by the moss. Overall, I'd say probably, what do we think, 15-20% better? Let me know in the comments what you think. Is it worth it? And would you do it on yours? So a quick before and after. This was the worst area, if you remember. And this is how it looks today. Thanks for watching. As always, leave a like and leave a comment. I'll always try and get back to you, and hopefully see you next time.